Good morning, everybody. It's Uncle Bill OGorman here. Happy February. Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and here is a sweetheart of a car. Now, this is something that heard about, went and actually made a deal with the other dealers so we could bring it here for you. This is a 2024. It is a Nissan Sentra. It is the SV edition, but this is what I call a sweetheart car. This car has everything that you generally would want and need on a brand new car. But it comes in at a price that is amazing. I'm telling you, just $23,345. This is not a stripped out car. This has the equipment and the fun that you're looking for in a brand new car. So listen, I only have one of these. Obviously, if I can find more, we're going to grab them and bring them in. But reach out to me here at the Royal Subaru store in Cortland. I'm Uncle Bill OGorman, and this is a sweetheart deal you don't want to miss. Give me a call, 607-543-1215. Royal Nissan, Route 281 in Cortland.